Hello, this is Cedars International Next Generation Academy. We are a very new school and we just started up in 2016!
Cedars International Next Gen High School is a brand new public charter school in Austin, Texas. We are a STEM academy that focuses on real-world application and 21st century skills in an entirely project-based learning environment.
Hi, I'm Dr. Trinidad. I've been teaching for about 10 years now at the secondary level, 20 years if you count college. Right now I am teaching physics integrated with concepts of engineering, 2 sections. I'm also teaching 8th grade math, and I'm also teaching a section of Algebra 2, which I affectionately call my advanced physics class because the students keep choosing physics context to explore the math topics that we study in that class.
My name is Stuart Ray. I've been teaching for 7 years now. I currently teach 3 sections of 8th grade science and 1 section of chemistry.
Hello, welcome to the common area, also known as my physics lab. This is where we did our ballistics experiments. Anything that requires moving around, this is a great space.
We have the amazing science room. We do all types of projects. We do math and science together, and we do different types of labs to test different types of things.
While we do have one of the largest classrooms in the school, most of our budget went to buying lab tables and stools. All of the diagrams in the room were created by students. In our one large science order, we were able to get goggles, a small amount of chemicals and glassware, and 3 low-quality digital scales.
Hi, so here we are in the science storage lab here at Cedars International. As you can see, we don't have a whole lot of room. We have one shelf that stores all of our substances. On this shelf, we have all of our consumables. This is one of the big things that we're going to need to buy more of with the grant money. More consumables means we'll be able to do more labs. We do have a flammable and corrosive cabinet down here. Unfortunately, it's empty right now.
Another thing we're going to need is better measurement equipment. A lot of times we do labs and we do create products that are products for the community. In order for us to meet their standards, we need more probeware. So we do have half-class sets of some basic things. Some things gaps we need to fill are definitely photo gates and multimeters.
In addition to that, we need class sets of glassware, such as pipettes and burettes, and additional beakers and Erlenmeyer flasks. Next year, we're also going to be adding biology courses, and so we'll need a class set of microscopes along with some slides to go with that. For our 8th graders, we desperately need some diagrams and models so that they can interact with and experience the content more.
Hello, this is our gymnasium behind the school. It is also our building space. We have inherited a toolbox, a locked box that we use to store some of our more valuable tools. However, the most used tools came from my personal supply. Again, our tools are quite limited. We are still in a founding year. So we've learned to MacGyver through our labs by relying on kids to bring in a lot of recycled materials and just make the best of what we have.
Winning the Shell Science Lab Upgrade Grant will really improve our instruction here in the Science Department. For one, it'll increase the achievement across all grade levels by helping to close the gaps, especially in our tested subjects.
It will also help with the accessibility of science. We have lots of different types of learners at the school. We would better serve our kinesthetic learners if we had more hands-on activities of higher quality at our campus.
Finally, as a PBL school, bringing more labs into the classroom will allow us to make our projects more authentic and more real-world for our students, giving them a reason to learn and love science.
Did you know that 90% of the information that your brain retains is things that you experience? Well, having a science lab will allow us to go through hands-on activities, which will allow us to learn things better and plus make it fun.
Well, I hate worksheets, so we could have more hands-on learning instead of filling out worksheets.
It helps us to learn more and relate the problems that we see in science with the real world.
Well, it's more interactive, and once you actually get in and do the stuff on your own, you kind of start to develop memory of how to do it.
We'd like to thank the National Science Teachers Association and the Shell Science Lab competition for giving us this opportunity to compete for a lab upgrade.